Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can see who viewed your Facebook story that are not your friends. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Facebook application and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will redirect it to this page. Now, tap on your story. Now from here, as you can see, there are none viewers, so let's just tap on that. Now here, you will see all of your story viewers. But unfortunately, in this current Facebook feature, there is no actual way to see who are those not friends that has viewed your Facebook story. So you can only see the names of your friends who have viewed your story. But all of the other people that is not your friends who have viewed your story, you cannot see their names, but you should see a prompt or a message that other people has viewed your story. So that's basically how you can see who viewed your Facebook story that are not your friends. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.